Exercise 10.5, the sixth sum is a 6-mark question, slightly different. Okay, so they have given the height of 300 students is normally distributed. So if x is going to denote the height of the students, right, they have given the mean is 64.5 and the standard deviation is 3.3, right? Now in the bell curve you have to find out for what particular value of the height 99% of the students lie, right? So you have to find out the value of x for which below which 99% of the students lie. Usually it's the other way around, right? X is given, you find out z, you convert it to z scale and find out z, right? But here it is already given in the z scale. You have to find out x. Find the height below which 99% of your students lie, right? It's something like this. So if I take it as minus infinity and plus infinity, I can write it as, right? Please note that I'm writing z here. This is in the z scale, right? And I don't know what value this is, right? So I'm going to assume some c. 0 less than z less than c. So I'm adding this plus this. This is gives me 0.99. 99% of the students are lying below this height. So I have to find out what this height is, right? You know that this value is 0.5 plus this we don't know. So let's write it as it is. So let's take 0.5 to the other side here. So you get 0 less than z less than c is equal to 0.49. So now you have to go and look into the area table in your normal distribution area table. For what value of z you get the value as 0.49. But typically in the exam this will be given to you directly. So you need not worry. You will get the value of c as 2.33. But at home you can definitely go and look into the area table to find out for what value of z you're getting this value 0.49. So this is nothing but, this point here is nothing but 2.33, right? So you can write it as probability of z lying between 0 and 2.33 is equal to 0.49. But that is not what we want, right? Good, we have found out c, but what we have to find out is what is the value of x for which 99% of the students, the height is below which 99% of the students' heights lie, right? So x, to find out x, you're going to use the formula z is equal to x minus nu by sigma. That is a formula. Do you know the value of z? Right? Yes, it is 2.33. I don't know x, but I know the mean is 65.5 from the given sum and the standard deviation is 3.3. So I can write x is equal to 2.33 into 3.3, right, plus 65.5. Basically I have cross multiplied this and brought this minus sign to the other side. So it becomes plus 65.5. So what is 2.33 into 3. So I'm going to multiply 2.33 into 3.3, right? This multiplication, I'm doing it for people who are still weak in multiplication. I have met many such students even in 12th standard. So don't worry, let's do it together. So let's remove this decimal points and multiply it as 233 into 33. Let's add the decimal points later. 33 into 3 is 99, right? Carry over 9. 33 into 3 is 99. 99 plus another 9